Welcome to SAPUI5 video tutorials. So in this video we will see how to implement with-frame charts in SAPUI5. So in the previous session we already saw theoretically all the steps to implement with-frame charts in SAPUI5. But in this session we will see practical demonstration of how to implement with-frame charts.
Now we will create another project in SAP Web ID to make you understand the concepts of with-frame charts in SAP UI5. So let's just open my Web ID. So here it is. Now I will create a new project from template, SAP UI5 application, demo, with-frame. So this would be my name of the application. This would be my namespace. This would be the initial view, and I will click on finish. So here I am presented with the new project here, and in the web app I will just code in the view folder here. So this is my view. I will just give a new title here, with frame charts. So this is the new with frame charts title that I have given, and in the content I will describe the with frame. So this is the with frame control that I will be using here. So I have to define the with here, and that should be with, that is SAP with.ui.ui5.controls. So here it is, and this would be my control. Here I have defined the library, that is sap.with.ui5controls, and then I have used this, and I have given the ID as ID column, and width is 100% itself. So I will just save this. Now I will just create a data for this, and I will create the data in the model folder, and for that I will click on new, then file, then chart data.json. Okay, and now I have to code in this chart data. I have maintained some data in my WordPad, that is here. I will just copy this and paste it. So I have this cars as the key value and the brand and value as the properties. So I have maintained 5 different properties, that is brand and brand value. So I will just save this. Now I have to define this particular model, that is JSON model, in the manifest.json file. Here, down here, I will just mention this. So this is my ID here, the type is JSON model, and the path is model, and within this chart data.json. I will just save this. That's fine, I suppose. Now what I have to do, we have mentioned our with frame control in the view, and we have maintained our data, and we have defined the model in the manifest.json. Now we have to code in the controller, that is view1's controller. Here it is. So in the onInit function we will do our coding. Okay, here is my controller code. So I will be explaining you what all things I have done here. So let me just explain you. Here I am getting the reference of the with frame control that I have used in the view using this particular ID. Here also I have used this particular ID, and now I am maintaining this data set as we did in the with charts. So data sets consist of dimension, measures, and path. So as I already told you, dimensions are generally for axis and measures are generally for value trends, that is on what basis our chart would be plotted. So here we have given the model name as model and the value as brand. I would just replace this as brand itself, brands, and measures. Here I have given name is cars bought, and the value is coming from the JSON model that I have created. Sorry, this one. So this is it, and the path is model, then cars. Cars is the key value here, that is this one. So this should be the same. Then I have set the data set into the vis frame that I have used here, and then I have set the vis type as bar. So I want a bar chart, that's why I have kept it as bar. So it's that simple. Now I have to set the properties of this vis frame. So I am using this vis frame, set vis properties. Here I have this plot area where I am defining the colors of the bar chart that would appear, and then I am defining the title. So I have the title is visible. This is the property of title, and the text would be vis frame charts. So vis frame properties are this, and next step we are defining our feed items. So feed items in SCP vis frame charts are something like this. I will just show you the documentation here. So here I am getting this feed item, SAP vis UI controls commons feed items. So this control itself I have used here, SAP this. So let's see what all properties it give. So it has basically three properties: UID, type, and values. So let's see what all UIDs we can pass here. So I am clicking on this get UID. So here it is. So here it is saying, sorry, let me just click on it once more. Okay, so here it is saying that we can pass UID, category access, color, and value access. So here I have passed the UID as value access, and here category access. So if I had passed color access color, then all the bars would be of different color. And next is the type property. Here we could enter two properties, that is, one is measure and one is for dimension. Sorry, stay. Now I have mentioned measures, so values should be car spot. So here the name is car spot, so this should be exactly same. So here also car spot and here also car spot. Since this is coming in the measures, we have mentioned the type as measure itself. So we have one more, dimensions. So in the dimension we will mention values as not models, but here I have used brands. So I will just copy this and paste here. I have just pasted it here, and we have used the UID as category access. And once we have mentioned both these feed items, then we will add this feed item into the vis frame. So this variable feed value access is entered into this feed O vis frame, and similarly feed category access is also entered into O vis frame. So that's it we have to do in the controller. So I will just save this again. Now if I just run this application here, I will be getting a vis frame chart, and the data would be a horizontal bar chart that I have already plotted. So here is it. So the title is coming as vis frame chart, and this is my x-axis and y-axis. Here I am getting car spot ratio and to the brands. All the brands I am getting brand A, brand B. Similarly, all the values have been plotted correctly, and this is my legend coming here. So I hope you have understood this concept of vis frame here, vis frame charts. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.